It's recording. Alright. Can't even see how it looks. It's just my phone. Okay, let's see. Hopefully Taporia. I want Taporia. I want McGregor, obviously. Khabib. I didn't even know he's in here. I have something. Hopefully something is signed. Something that's good. Something one day might value. Have some good value. But we'll see. So what's my top five? Eli Taporia, McGregor, John Jones, Diego Lopez would be cool. Pereira, obviously. The Lioness, Stylebender, any of them will be great. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. I think my hands are not dirty. Ooh, we have Paul Costa. We have Paul Costa. What else we have here? I don't even know this guy. Rudluf Bejata. I don't even know if this is his name. Lightweight. Light heavyweight. That's decent. Sterling. What else? I don't even know. Let's see before you guys go and sit. Someone has 4 cards. Oh, I like this one. Amanda Nunes. They're creative. Dare to be great. Amanda Nunes. Don't put it here. Put it here. Okay, I'm gonna get a sleeve. I might just put it somewhere. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, let's keep it right over here. This the Lioness. That's a really cool pool. Okay, put this in the side. I'm gonna get my sleeves and cases. Let's put them right here. Let's see what's next. Next card. Why don't you have 4? You should have. Who has 6? What's up, cat? Is this thing recording? I'm just checking. Can you even, oh yeah, that's recording. Hopefully not recording too high. Ooh, I didn't want to see what's in there. Is that something right there? I don't even know what that is. Okay, we have. I just wait. We have this guy. I don't know who that is. You have Champ. What's her name again? Person. We have this guy. Hooper. I don't know that guy either. We got freaking Khabib. That's insane. That's insane. I can't believe we got something like this. Khabib number Alpagerov. I can't freaking pronounce his name right. It's a pretty sick card. Fire up, fire up. That's pretty sick. Which one's better? Has to be Khabib. How red is this? Fire up. This deserves first place. I'll put this. Put in this thing. It's a casing so they don't get messed up. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on my collection. Hopefully one day, if they go up like crazy in value, I'll probably sell it, but I don't think I want to sell them. I want a cool collection. Only they go like thousands of dollars. Goes anyway, but it doesn't go that high. I'm not gonna sell shit. Next one has two. How many? Ooh, there's a couple more. There's 4 more. Yeah, we got 2 cool pulls. Let's see if we get something good again. The background, I hate like the background shows like names. I'm gonna be more careful with this. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna see it first. We have Carlos. I have no idea. I need to watch more UFC. Jose Marculas. Jose Mariscal. Jose something. Don't know that guy. Victor Petrate. Like he Brazilian? I don't even know how to say it. And we got this was cool. We had John Jones Bones. John Bones. That's sick. Top of the class. How sick. Which one was better? I think Khabib. We're gonna leave Khabib in first place. And John Jones, the GOAT, according to Dana White, but I don't know. He freaking ran away from Espinal. So, he's in my book. He's not the best, but he's one of the best. So sick. He looks so sick, don't it? Next card. Okay, I'm gonna open it like this so I don't see. Like the back always mess it up. Okay, let's see. Terry Waters. Don't even know him. Sir Paul Boisish. Don't know. The champ. Ankalaya. And Duplessis, there to be great. That's sick. Actually getting cool cards. Better than I thought, to be honest. Khabib or Duplessis? I think Khabib. Khabib never lost. Sucks that he beat McGregor. I wish McGregor would have won, but again, freaking, that's how Khabib is. Undefeated. He fucked everybody up. He deserves his glory. It's probably the GOAT, the real GOAT. It's probably Khabib. I wish it was McGregor, to be honest. It'd be more fun, but it is. This guy is great. Even though he lost to... I'm gonna kill all of y'all. I hate that I forget fucking names. This guy, he's sick. He's one of my favorite fighters, and I forget his name. I'm gonna kill all of y'all. I'm gonna kill everybody. I can't believe I forgot his name. I'm having fun with this. I'm gonna buy more. My cat. Let's see what else we get. Let's see. Subo. I saw some YouTube videos, and this will comes in every card. It's cool. I think I'll put them in a case. Yes, because it's silver. Bruno Silva. Yeah, it was fake silver. I don't know who that is. Water Williams. No, I don't even know who that is, to be honest. Yeah, this pack, I don't know anybody. Ederson, Barca. Oh. But I don't know if it looks familiar, but no. I like this one. Your ear, Mexico. Yeah, definitely. I love this card. And this is sick. I'm having so much fun. I'm gonna buy another one, to be honest. This is a sick pack, to be honest. A sick, what's it called, box. This is sort of casing, but yeah. But I think first place is gonna be still. You have to get like a signature or something crazy to Topuria. If I get Topuria somehow, that's the only way. Or like a signature, nice signature from someone would take this one down, but I don't think so. No, one more left. I need more. I can't believe it's just one more left. Hopefully it's a signature here card. That'd be so cool. From Topuria signature. Freaking, what is this fool? This guy, Pereira signature, or John Jones signature. That'd be sick. Okay, I don't want to look in the back because they'll kill it for me. Loreno, I can't read. I don't even know this guy. Loreno, whatever. Manel Capet, can't. I have no idea. Those silver cards, I don't even know anybody. Alexander Pantoja. Oh, Pantoja. Yeah, but I like Pantoja. Michael Chandler. Yeah. Ooh, I saw a card I even wanted to. Chandler. Guess what I got? Conor McGregor. It's backwards? There to be great. You know what? Probably Khabib deserves more credit, but nobody has been more fun than McGregor. If this guy will get his shit together and never fucking went to boxing, he will have so many legendary moments in the UFC, but he's a fucking idiot. He's a fucking idiot. I wish things were different, but yeah, this is my two favorite. I'll put in a case too. I have, right now they're not valuable, but I'm just gonna hold them for many years, and eventually they'll get the respect that they deserve. Yeah, McGregor's going crazy. He doesn't even fight anymore, and people still go crazy for him. I wish he would never went to boxing, to be honest. Stay in UFC, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, it's a great cat. Is it a right or left? I don't know. I just put him over here. I don't know which is right. Good side, bad side. Yeah, there you go. So I got Fire Up Khabib. There to be great McGregor. Yair Mexico. Duplessis. Drake is the GOAT. John Jones. The Lioness. Amanda Nunes. Pretty sick pools. I like this. I'm gonna go get more cards later. This is fun. I'm gonna make videos later on.